With stage 2 and stage 3 AVN, and that time I saw multiple doctors. My condition was if I would stand, they told me I'll collapse. I was going from here to there on wheelchair. I couldn't walk at all. Dr. Mayank sir, who changed my life, they told me that this is good, but if you just give us a shot and see how it works out with this, the other therapy that they were telling me. Straight after 1.5 months, the person who was coming on wheelchair was walking to the hospital. The watchman was shocked by the miracle itself. It's been a year now. I'm married. I'm out of India, and it's all working good for me. I can walk. I'm just back to my life.